I have here a 99 Buick Century with the 3.1 V6 in it. I know that these motors are notorious for a knocking noise, which is deemed to be piston slap, and I know GM says that it's not damaging to the lifespan of the motor if everything else is maintained. I just got this car about a week ago, and I've been driving it, and it's had the knocking noise since I've had it. The previous owners did say that it's had the knocking noise for a few years, and it didn't ever harm anything. So to me, that cancels out any possibility of it being rod knock, just because it would have, destroyed the engine, because it was their daily driver. And but I'm making this video to see if anybody out there could, tell me what they think it is, because I was going to take it in and have a mechanic look at it, just in case, because I don't want it to take a crap on me, because I've had poor luck with vehicles. But I'll start it up and see what you guys think. It has 170,000 miles on it, which for an older car, that's on the higher end. And I don't know how well you can hear it from the inside of the vehicle, but the knock does also go with engine speed. But once I reach a certain RPM, the noise bottoms out and you can't hear it. So, and I'll show you what it sounds like from outside of the vehicle as well. So I mean, that's what it sounds like on the outside versus the inside. And I don't know whether it's more of a knocking noise or a ticking noise. To me, it sounds like a knock, but I never have dealt with a lift or tick before. So if you guys could comment and let me know what you think it is or what it possibly could be, it would help me out a lot. Because I would like to get it fixed if possible, but if it is piston slap, I'm not going to pay the money to have new pistons and get it rehoned, just because it's an older car, and to me it's not really worth it. But if you could just comment and let me know what you think, it'd be awesome. It'd help me out a lot.